Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. My name's Courtney and thank you so much for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about a way to make money online using a free method. The website that we're focusing on today is called rewardingways.com and I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use it. The link to sign up for a bonus is in the description. I do recommend you sign up for that bonus so you get a head start, because it'll just make your cash out process a lot smoother. But we're going to jump into this. So when you sign up, this is your homepage, and my cashback balance is 0 because I haven't done anything today. Points are 0. Total paid $42.02. 39 referrals, but they're not doing anything. I've only earned $1.02 for my referrals. Guys, you have to use this site every single day to maximize what you need to do. This is the news and updates. There's a new offer wall. This is your shout out box. This shows you everything people are doing. Okay, everything. Okay, what's crediting, what's not crediting, keep an eye on that. Latest surveys. There's a boost promotion extended. You have to click the you have to click the button, click here, it says, and then you'll get extended. So if you click on earn money, there's popular surveys, daily surveys, your surveys, revenue surveys, theorem reach, CPX, opinion capital, say so, live, paid surveys, AdGem surveys, and wanna ads. Okay, if you go to Apple offer walls, Peanut Labs, AdGate, AdGem, Offertoro, Wall Ads, Ascend Media, Ludably, Radium Universe, Revenue Universe, Hang My Ads, Wanna Ads, AT Studios, Worldwide Offers, and Engage Videos. Referrals. Okay, you can email your referrals. You can do your referral links and banners. There's contests. The rewards that you can get are, let me see. I don't even know if they do gift cards anymore. They used to. Let me see. The payment is PayPal, PayPal Instant, Skrill, Bitcoin. And if you withdraw your points, you can get a $5 Amazon card, or you can get a Tango gift card. That's 500 points, and so is the Amazon gift card. So, guys, you need to use this site every single day. Christmas is coming. You could be buying some of your Christmas presents, paying some of your bills. You need to get on this site. Make $1 a day. Click the link in the description and get hustling. Do one survey, okay? If I click on your surveys and I fill out my information, you could get paid 75 cents a survey. 70 cents, here's one, 85 cents, $1.10, 80 cents. Come on, guys, you're not going to qualify for every survey, but you got to try, okay? Click the link in the description. 35 cents for international, 36 cents, 80 cents, 75 cents, 15 cents. Come on, guys, 26 cents. You can do this. Make $1 a day. Click the link in the below, and I challenge you to make $1 a day. Join the online team. Let's get paid. You should be cashing out every day. There's no reason this day and age you should be broke with the pandemic. And with everybody losing their jobs, you need to get online and you need to make use of your time. Use Rewarding Ways as one of your payment methods, your streams of income. Make $1 a day. That's a stream of income. Come on, guys. Click the link in the description. Sign up. Make sure you comment. Comment your favorite Get Paid To site, and I can do a video on that. Also, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share this video with people, and I will be back with another video very soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will talk to you guys soon.